Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kokole Juma, a student at Igulu University. So today we are going to learn about Microsoft Excel. So I'm going to introduce you briefly how Microsoft Excel looks like and get in touch with it, what I'm going to say to you. First of all, let's get to know what Microsoft is. It's a spreadsheet program by Microsoft used to organize, calculate, and analyze data using rows and columns and formula. We have also chart and the pie chart and so on. Well, let me take you through how we can. Let me introduce you to what Microsoft Excel is. And for recent, my first video I used to say that when you want to search a program in the computer, you come to the left corner of the start bar, you press and write the name. Maybe put the Excel. It is there showing Excel 2016. You open it to see. Okay, like after here you come and click on the blank space so that you can work on the sheet that you want to. For Excel it is sheet, not a page. So this is where you're going to show your calculations, your analyze data, formulas and chart and so on. Like for instance here, this is what we call the cell. And in Microsoft Excel we have what we call the cell. And in this cell where you see this bold line, is what we call the cell reference. And like especially I can say the cell reference of this one is A1. It means if you press any letter in this, it will be the letter reference will be A1. And the intersection of the cell, the combination of a cell is what we call the cell reference. And in it we have what we call the columns and the rows. So these are what we call the columns, like this, and then this is what we call the rows. And we have an active cell. So what are active cells? Just where you see the bold line. Like it means I can bring my cursor here and then I press here. This is what we call the active line, where you want to put your content into. And in case also you want to add, let me just say a sheet, another page, like how they call in Word, you come here, you press add. That is how it is. Even you can rename it. Even if you want to rename, you just right click on it and then you see here rename or delete what just is. But if you want to go back to sheet 1, you also come and press here. That's how you can go through it. So, and the other one is okay, like in case you're done with filling your words and other things, so we want to go for page layout. You come to insert. This is the table. In case you want to create your timetables and other thing, you can use it. And then we have also the formula lane bar, and then the page layout. And after all your workings, you can come to review, where you can see all your workings have been completed. You can even mean to create like a pie chart. In case you want to create a pie chart, you come to insert. These are the pie charts. These are the charts that you want to create. In case you want to create a pie chart, you come here. These are the type of pie charts maybe you wish like to create, but since we have not created a document, so it will be impossible for us to create it. Even if you want to insert like bar graph, these are like this, you can just pick any graph that you want. In case the values are there, it will show you that it is okay, like it shows that maybe where your workings will look like, and maybe the rate. And so we also what we call the formula bar. This is where you can do your formulas, and in case that you want to, like when you want to add the total or find the average, you can use the formula bar to do it. At the same time, so you can also come and do it at this side. Like in case you just put equal sign, you write the sum. It is here. After double clicking on it, it shows. Maybe in case I want to add the DC cell reference and that, and in case when there are numbers in it, so we just close the bracket and you put enter. It shows you the answer. Since there's nothing and it shows there 0, so that's how I can take you through what Microsoft Word Excel is. So next time follow me for more videos, because I'm going to upload so many videos that will teach you how to get used to computer and how to learn it all. So thank you for today, and hope you're interested in the video, and follow me for more videos like this. I'll be releasing videos every time and every day. So thank you. Good luck.